Your Honor, please, we also request that the same name read by the witness, Maria Charina R. Corona, be bracketed and marked as our Exhibit 30-B.
Mark it.
Mr. Witness, I'm showing you another document previously marked as Exhibit 39, which is actually a special power of attorney dated September 15, 2008, executed by one Maria Charina R. Corona. Please go over this document and tell us if that happens to be one of those documents you required of the applicant.
Yes, Your Honor. This is the special power of attorney which was filed in our office.
Thank you, Mr. Witness.
Just a minute.
Yes, please, Your
Who
Honor.
signed the deed of sale for the buyer?
Thank you, Your Honor. And under this particular document,
No, in the deed of sale.
yes, Your Honor, that this deed of absolute sale, buy-in between Mega World and Maria Charina R. Corona, the signatories are for Mega World Corporation, Your Honor, was Giovanni C. Nang, a finance director for the company, Your Honor. And on behalf of the buyer, Your Honor, the signatory is Renato C. Corona, who is designated in this very same document as attorney in fact, Your Honor.
So that actually the named parties to the agreement were Mega World and
Maria Charina R. Corona,
Maria
Your Honor.
Charina,
That's correct, Your Honor.
represented by Renato C. Corona, by virtue of this special power of attorney.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And that special power of attorney is executed abroad,
That is also correct, Your Honor.
authenticated
Executed and authenticated
according to the
before Consul Arvic V. Arevalo of the Consulate General of the Philippines in San Francisco, California, United States, Your Honor.
Who authenticated the notary public?
Says here, Your Honor, before me, Arvic V. Arevalo, Consul of the Republic of the Philippines for Northern California, Alaska, Colorado, Idaho, Montana, Northern Nevada, Oregon, Utah, Washington, duly commissioned and qualified, personally appeared on September 15, 2008, Maria Charina R. Corona.
So it was the consul who actually notarized the special power.
That is correct,
of
Your
attorney?
Honor. That is one of the modes of authenticating this particular document, Your Honor.
No. This document was executed outside of the country.
That's correct, Your
Governed
Honor.
by the laws of that country.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And who was the notarial officer who notarized that document?
There is no particular notary public, Your Honor. But I understand that one of the modes of authentication, Your Honor, is that the consul himself can conduct, Your Honor, the oath and authenticate the document, Your Honor.
Yeah, he authenticates.
That's correct.
A signature, but can he notarize?
He attests to the genuineness, Your Honor, of the signature
Of Charina.
of Charina, Your Honor. He is also commissioned and qualified to do, Your Honor, this authentication, Your Honor.
Yeah, that is for
under this
authenticating the signature. But to make that a valid document, is it required to be notarized by an authorized notarial officer in the state where it was executed?
It does not appear here, Your Honor, that there was such independent act of notarization, Your Honor.
Well, anyway, that is the
Yes.
prosecution will have to study the
Yes, Your
the
Honor.
law governing notarial requirements of the special powers of attorneys like that
Yes, Your Honor.
in the state where it was executed. Because my understanding of a system of authentication is if there is a notary public, the notary public's signature must be authenticated by a designated officer of the state where the document is executed, and then the consul general will authenticate, or the State Department, if it is to be presented in another country, will authenticate all the signatures appearing in that document. Anyway,
That's correct, Your Honor. We understand
that's
that.
a problem that you will try to explain later on.
We will do so, Your Honor.
Yeah.
May I proceed, please?
To say,
Now you identify this special power of attorney executed by Maria Charina R. Corona, and this has actually a cover acknowledgement. By the way, Your Honor, the document referring to the signature of the consul is entitled acknowledgement, and this appears to be the same form as the one when a separate notary public makes a separate administration of an oath, Your Honor, because it also says here, known to me to be the same person who executed the attached instrument, informing her of its contents, and that she acknowledged that the same is of her own free will and act. Now, please go over this document, Mr. Witness, and please tell the Honorable Impeachment Court whether this is also one of the documents that you required of the applicant.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a document which was filed in our office in connection with this particular deed of sale.
We ask, Your Honor, that this document just identified by the witness as one of those documents that his office required of the applicant be marked as Exhibit 194 for the defense, Your Honor. Now, Mr. Witness, I'm also showing you a document entitled Certificate Authorizing Registration 2008 0009 3558, previously marked as Exhibit 172 for the defense, dated October 22, 2008. Please kindly go over this document and tell this honorable court whether this is one of those documents that you examined after requiring the applicant of the same.
Yes, Your Honor. This is one of the documents submitted to us as a requirement for the deed of sale.
Okay. In this certification issued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, there appears to be a transfer from MegaWorld to a particular person. Can you please tell us the transferee of that particular property covered by that certificate authorizing registration?
The transferee is Maria Charina R. Corona.
Your Honor, we request that this name just read by the witness be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 172-A for the defense.
mark it accordingly.
Just for consistency of marking, Your Honor, instead of 172-A, we will just ask that this same portion be marked as 172-E, Your Honor, because there were previous markings already.
Mark it accordingly.
Thank you, Your Honor, please. Now, on page 3 of this 4-page document, pre-marked as 172-C,
That's the deed of sale.
Your Honor, please, this is the certificate authorizing registration involving the same property bought by Maria Charina Corona. Thank you, Your Honor, please. Mr. Witness, showing you this Exhibit 172-C, which contains a list of transferor and transferee of the same property covered by the certificate authorizing registration. Can you please indicate or point to us who the transferee is?
Your Honor, the transferee is Maria Charina R. Corona.
We request, Your Honor, that this particular portion read by the witness be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 172-F for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Yung-
Okay na.
Mr. Witness, in your examination of the record covering this Bellagio property and McKinley property, did you come to know whether there are other documents either canceling or amending these particular properties?
Which property?
The McKinley property, Your Honor,
In the name of Charina.
in the name of Charina.
They are existing titles, Your Honor.
Sir Witness, I have no further questions. Thank you for your time.